US Embassy Chargé visited the mazar of Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah and paid his respects to the founder of Pakistan. He laid a floral wreath at the mazar and signed the guestbook on behalf of the US Embassy in Islamabad. Chargé quoted in the book, "On behalf of the people of the United States, it is an honor for me to be here today to offer my respect to the founder of Pakistan, Muhammad Ali Jinnah. This visit has offered me the opportunity to reflect upon his founding vision of a democratic, tolerant, and unified Pakistan and to continuing importance of this vision to all of us." Chargé also paid his respects at the tombs of Pakistan's first Prime Minister Liaquat Ali Khan and Quaid's sister Fatima Jinnah before visiting the Quaid's museum.